this that Puth guy?
I think so. She was telling me that she was praying for this spot to not be anything, and then she had to come in to get it, looked at. And luckily, they looked at her foot and they found the melanoma too.
That's so great.
I prayed for it for 25 years that God would heal it. And I kept saying, Lord, why aren't you healing this? He's healed other things on me. And I just said, I don't understand. But I just, said, okay, I'm going to go in and get it off. And they found that melanoma.
I believe God helps those who help themselves.
Yeah.
There you go, and that's a perfect example of it.
Yeah.
God was watching out for you.
Yes, he was. He knew everything.
What church do you go to?
Assembly of God. I've gone to a lot of churches, but I like them.
What do you like about the Assembly of God, folks?
They preach the word. I'm not for that, prosperity thing at all. I'm just, God will bless you if you trust him and you do what he says,
Or not.
But
I just don't believe that. I believe that we suffer. I believe that, part of our experience is to suffer.
well, yeah, we have times where we do that. We have to learn to trust the Lord. But
I watched this great TED Talk. Have you ever heard of TED Talks?
yeah, I don't have a smartphone. I just have a flip phone because otherwise my kids would never talk to me.
Well, basically,
They would text me.
she was really, her life was about the prosperity gospel. And she got cancer, and she said, the prosperity gospel tells you if you're being good and a good servant of the
Right.
Lord, that you won't run into problems.
Yeah, and that's not true.
And she said,